Using Zelle is a convenient way to send and receive money directly between bank accounts. To get started, you will need to have a bank account and a mobile device. First, check if your bank or credit union participates in the Zelle network, as most major banks do. To use Zelle, you can either go through your bank's mobile app or the Zelle app itself. If your bank offers Zelle through its app, it is recommended to use that for a more integrated experience. Download and install the Zelle app or access it through your bank's app. Then register with your email address or mobile number. You will receive a verification code to confirm your identity, after which you can link your bank account or debit card. To send money, select the recipient's email address or mobile number, enter the amount, and add a memo if needed. Review the transaction details and confirm. The recipient will receive an alert and can then access the funds directly in their bank account, usually within minutes. To receive money, simply share your email address or mobile number with the sender, and the funds will be deposited into your account. Best practices include only sending money to people you trust, using the service for personal transactions, and being cautious of phishing attempts. Zelle is free to use, with no fees for sending or receiving money, making it a great option for splitting bills or exchanging money with friends and family. By following these steps and guidelines, you can safely and easily use Zelle for your personal transactions.